everybody. Today we're going to do a very exciting experiment. We are going to find out if M&M's mix into hot water faster or cold water faster. This experiment will be needing some M&M's, hot water, cold water, and this cute little stick. So we are going to dip this stick into the water to make sure the water is the same amount. It is 2 ml. The hot water is 2 ml. And the cold water is also 2 ml. Now we are going to put the M&M's, 2 M&M's into hot water and the cold water. So here are the M&M's. Let's put them inside. Now let's mix it with the stick. We need a timer to check the time. Mix, mix, mix. So as you can see, in hot water, the water's color is changing, but in the cold water is not really mixing too much. So let's mix the cold water and see how it can also do the same as the hot water. It's starting to be the color of the hot water. But what one will absorb quickly? The hot water or the cold water? Write in the comments. But while you're doing that, I'm going to keep on mixing. The result of the experiment is that M&M's mix quickly in hot water than in cold water. Bye everyone. Thank you for watching our video and subscribe and hit the bell button.